Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? How is going your study? I hope you all are well and your study also going on well. So that now let us start our poem The Well is Born, section 2. Let us see. In the evening, sky the sun drew lower. The engineer's face began to glower. By twilight, the matter became quite clear. If there was water, it was not here. In the evening time, when the time of setting of sunset's time, in the evening time, the sun drew lower. Means sun going to be set. In the evening time, as we all know, in the evening time, the sun sets. The sun going to be set. The engineer's face began to glow up. The engineer's face showing जैसे कहें डिजेक्टनेस फीलिंग या showing anger. The engineer's face showing anger. He was very hopeless. By twilight, the time of sunsets, the after the sunset's time, जो sunset के बाद का समय होता है, that is the twilight. The time after the sunset, the matter was became quite clear. The matter was very clear, became very clear. It was clear that if there was water, it was not here. If there was any water inside the earth, but it is not the proper place there they can be found water. If there was water, यदि पानी वहाँ है, it was not here. लेकिन वो उस जगह पर नहीं है. She didn't. The engineer was rejected and dejected to find the water in the well. The engineer turned towards the waiting crowd. The engineer turned towards the waiting crowd and his shoulders sagged. His head was bowed. I'm sorry that I failed you today. We will do it tomorrow. That's all I can say. The engineer turned towards the great crowd who was waiting for him, standing there. She was standing there to see where's the well, where's the water. She turned towards the crowd and villagers. Who was the crowd? The villagers was standing there to listen. The engineers, did he search the water? So he turns towards the villagers and crowd. His shoulders sagged जिसे हम कहें. His shoulder was hanged. The face was hanging low, pale, long face. With the long face यानी बड़ा उतरा हुआ चेहरा, झुके हुए कंधे. His face was long and his shoulder was hung. The slumped or जिसे कहें downwards in sorrow or defeated. He had the feeling of defeated. He was very downwards. He turned towards the crowd and he was very sorrowfully and his head was bowed. His head also very down. He was down and very sorrowfully and said, he in a sorrowfully said towards the villagers, I'm sorry, I really that I failed you today. Really, I'm failed according to your wish and hope I make you fail today. I'm sorry. We will do it tomorrow. That all I can say. And we will do it tomorrow. We'll search again a new well we will search a new well of water tomorrow. That's all can I say. I promise you we will search it tomorrow, and today I'm dejected and I hurt your feeling. The very next day he picked a new spot. Then a very next day, just day after tomorrow, very next day, he again choose a new spot, a new place to drill the well. They bored a deep hole, they dig a deep hole. He made a deep hole, but no water they got. But there was also no water. But they didn't find their water and became very hopeless. The engineer's face grew anxious and grey. He became very angry and hopeless, and his grey, sad, downward, sorrowfully. As a fresh child, they attempt on the third day. Third day, they choose a fresh child, but he find not water there. There was no water. If there water, but there was not. When even the third hole was dry and rejected, when their third hole was also dry and they find not water there, they don't find any water, drop of water there, so that they become very hopelessness. And an engineer looked bleak and dejected. The engineer's feeling so dejected, hopeless and completely sorrowfully. He was feeling failed. वो बिल्कुल अपने आप को होपलेस फील कर रहा था, होपलेसनेस एंड कम्प्लीटली डिफीटेड फील कर रहा था. एंड दैट हिज मैप्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स he began to tear. His maps, he was the maps and reported was the weapon of the arm of the engineer, but he was not happy, but he was become very sorrowfully in a sad mood, very bad, sad, deadly, badly, sadly, and he was feeling very sorrowfully and hopelessly, so that he started to turn off, to tear off, that his maps and reports, to begin to tear, उसने अपने reports and maps जो भी थे, he going to be tear them all, अब उन्हें फाड़ रहा था. The villagers were filled with despite dark despair means dark despair जिसे हम कहें बिल्कुल hopeless feeling, the feeling of great hopelessly. They were feeling very hopelessly, no one there to help them, to search the water, to give them a well of water. So the villagers were become very unhappy. Not only unhappy, they were feeling very helplessly. And just then a farmer with kind and wise eyes said, "If you don't mind, I have some advice. I believe that water can be found there." He pointed a termite mound. On that time, just then, a farmer came towards the engineer and said in a very kind voice, with kind and wise eyes, very kindfully, and in a very witty eyes, wise eyes, very intelligency eyes, intelligent look in his eyes, said, कहता है, if you don't mind, I have some advice. If you agree with me, I have some I have some knowledge to give you, I have some ideas to give you, I have some advice to give you. I believe that water can be found. I make you believe that water can be found. We can search the water. I make you sure, मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ, हम पानी पा सकते हैं. Water can be found, पानी को ढूंढा जा सकता है. There, वहाँ. He pointed out to a termite hill. He pointed out to a termite mound. उसने point out, he make a finger, उसने point out किया, उसने इशारा किया to a termite mound. What is the termite mound? टर्माइट हिल मतलब दीमक का टीला, जहाँ दीमक का ढेर होता है, जहाँ ज़मीन में दीमक होती है. ही शो टुवर्ड टर्माइट हिल. उसने दीमक के टीले की तरफ इशारा करते हुए, दीमक के ढेर की तरफ इशारा करते हुए कहा, एंड इन केस यू थिंक दैट्स अ ट्रिक, it's a trick, I assure you it is quite scientific. And if you think that it's a just trick, no, I make you sure, I make you believe, मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ, I make you believe it is quite scientific. It's a real scientific reason. A termite's hill. Under the termite's hill you will find the water. How? I have noticed, she said. He is a gravely voice. In a very gravely voice. Termite hills are always damp and moist. It's very scientifically I'm telling you that. That is, I have noticed that it is all scientific, not a trick, he said. He said in a gravely voice, very polite way, in a polite voice, low and polite voice, termite hill are always damp and moist. Termite hill जो हैं, जहाँ दीमक का ढेर होता है, will always remain a little wet, damp and moist. Damp यानी a little moist, little wet, और moist यानी भी नमी वाला, moist, little wet. So termite hills, you will find the termite hill always have a little moist. उनमें हमेशा एक हल्की सी नमी होती है. No matter how dry the summer can get, termites find water to keep their nest wet. So if you drill there, of this I'm sure you will find water both sweet and pure. So no matter how worse summer days it can get, they survive in a great summer also, because termites find water to keep their nest wet. Because the termites always find water to keep their nest moistured, damp, wet. Termites always make their जिसे हम कहें nest nearby the water place. So if you drill there, if you dig there, if you drill there, if you make a well there, of course of this I'm sure you will find water both sweet and pure. And of course if you drill nearby the termite's hill, I make you believe, I make you sure you will find water there. The water will be in quality sweet and pure, and you will find the sweet and pure water. The old, intelligent, old age farmer gave them belief and making them assured. The engineer listened to what he had just heard. The engineer listened her words properly. उसने उसकी बात पूरी से सुनी. Just heard, just सुनी. There was much sense in the old farmer's words. There was a great belief. There was a great confidence and senseful talk of the old farmer's words. There was a much sense. It's very great and senseful talk, senseful thing in the old farmer's words. He just wanted to believe in her words. उसे उसकी बात पर believe हो रहा था. They filled him fresh with vigor and zest. They filled him afresh with vigor and zest. He started to work near the termite nest. The farmer's talk again filled him to the engineer. They filled him, his words filled him again afresh with the vigor and zest. Vigor, जिसे कहें a new energy. Again he find a new energy, a zest, a feeling of enjoyment, enthusiasmly. Again he became, the old farmer's talk again filled her heart with the gel and zest, with the new energy and new enthusiasm. He started to work near the termite nest. Now he going to start his new work near the termite nest, termite hill, termite mount. They would just punch a hole a few meters deep. They would just punch a hole few meters deep. When they drill a few meters deep, जैसे ही उन्होंने when they again drill a hole few meters deep, few feet deep, when they saw a sight that made their hearts leap. Suddenly, on that time, they saw a sight. They came to know that thing that hearts become very happy. Hearts leap, happiness of the heart. The hearts fill with the happiness. The water is sprayed up. When they make a hole nearby the termite's hill, they just saw a sight that made their hearts leap. What is that thing? The water is sprayed up, a fountain of joy. When they made a hole nearby the termite's hill, they find the water. The water is sprayed up. अचानक से पानी बाहर आता है. A fountain of joy. It's not a water of the fountain of the water. It's a fountain of the joy. Just a fountain of water came out. The sprinkler of the water, the fountain of the joy, with bright rainbow colors misting the sky. With the bright rainbow color of beautiful environment creating in the surrounded by the still the sky, and all the environment filled with the joy and enthusiasm when they see the water inside the earth. They sprayed the water on the site of in famine days with bright rainbow, एक चमकते हुए rainbow colors की तरह misting the sky. It was flowing in the sky. The water sprayed in the sky like a colorful rainbow. Bring out the drums, bring out the horn. Let us celebrate, a well is born. On that time, the villagers become very happy. And when they saw the water is coming out from the well, and the well is giving a sweet, pure water, they started, bring out the drums. Let us celebrate, bring out the drums. Let us beat the drums out. Drum बजाते हैं. Let us bring out the horn. आइए जो अपनी शहनाई, जो अपना बिगुल होता है वो बजाते हैं. Let us celebrate. आओ. Let us celebrate the day a well is born. आओ celebrate करते हैं. The well is born. The villagers sang, the villagers danced. The vision of water had been entranced. The villagers heard, filled with the great happiness to see the water in the village, so that on the burn of well that celebrate the day, the villagers sang, they singing and they dancing, and the vision of the water had made them very जिसे कहें please with, they fill with the pleasures and happiness. They become very happy. Thank you and have a nice day.